Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to another Q&A vlog. Like what I mentioned in my previous episode, while we're in ECQ, we'll focus more on the Q&A episodes. And in today's episode, meron akong dalawang gustong reactan. The first one, I get a lot of questions about the NAS Academy thing. So maybe it's time that I share a little bit, some thoughts about it. So you'll find that somewhere in the middle of this vlog. But I also want to react to the bashing, a few comments bashing me for collecting NBA cards. Burloloy daw siya, wala daw siyang kwenta, bakit daw ako nagsasayang ng pera. So yun ang topic natin today. So excited ba kayo? Keep on watching. Tara, let's go! By the way, before we get started with today's Q&A episode, let me just remind you that I announced a new giveaway. So I am giving away this brand new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Mono Clay. So kung gusto niyo to, the link to the giveaway mechanics is down below. Kailangan niyo panoodin yung video na yun kasi doon ko pag-uusapan how you can win this. So paraffle lang siya, random lang siya. It gives a lot of people an opportunity to win. And yeah, if you want to win a brand new Yeezy, then check out the video that's linked down below. Panoodin nyo, nandun yung mechanics. Good luck. So cards and collectibles can be investments. Why? Kasi they can potentially appreciate. Pwedeng tumaas ang presyo, pwedeng mag-appreciate ang presyo, or pwede niya ma-hold yung value niya. Yun yung napakagandang bagay when it comes to collectibles. And it's not just about cards. It can be toys, it can be figures, it can be watches. However, hindi lahat ng cards, hindi lahat ng collectibles nag-appreciate or nag-hold ng value. May mga specific lang na cards yan, may mga specific lang na collectibles. I'll give you guys an example. So this is a Trae Young Prism PSA 10 card. Nabili ko to ng 10,000 pesos. There is, I think, its selling price right now is around 15,000 pesos. This is a Luka Doncic PSA 10 card. So Prism base, I got this for like 30,000 pesos. The going price of this one now is 45,000 pesos. So kung dun pa lang, dito sa Trae Young, kumita ka na ng, sabi mo ng 5,000. Dito naman sa Luka Doncic, kumita ka na ng 15,000 in the short amount of time na I was able to own them. Obviously, ako, feeling ko, as more time passes, yung presyo niyan tataas pa. Diba? And you can actually cash out on that. But to give you a more extreme example, I bought this card for almost 500,000 pesos. So this is a Trae Young out of 18 flawless triple patch full auto card. So imagine yun, almost 500,000 pesos. And I recently got an offer for it for 750,000 pesos. So if I decide to sell it, I would have profited 250,000 pesos on that card, on that transaction. So in short, hindi lang burloloy ang card if you are strategic and smart about it. Kasi ang bilang naman talaga dito is baka yung utak mo. Now, to add to that, when it comes to investing in collectibles, I only went into it after securing myself financially. So para lang to those who are interested in buying and investing in cards and other collectibles as well. So before getting into this, I made sure that I had an emergency fund. So that's 6 months to 1 year worth of living expenses. So kung magkano man yung monthly expenses mo, compute mo yon, add them all up, and then multiply them by 12. So dapat yung pera na yun nasa bank mo lang. You do not touch. It is your emergency money. After my emergency fund, I set out to invest in the financial market. So I have sizable investments in the stock market. I have sizable investments in dividend stocks. I have investments in cryptocurrency. I have an Axie Infinity investment play as well. I also am invested in multiple businesses where I am majority shareholder on top of the job that I have. So because maayos na yung mga bagay na yun, then you can actually afford to invest in other things. This is sa totoo lang. Ewan ko lang kung to those who are in the financial markets will also understand me. Pero sa totoo lang, medyo boring ang stocks eh. So, I mean, you read financial reports, you need quarterly, annual reports, you try to learn about the company. And to some people, that's exciting. To me, it's okay. It's not super exciting, but I don't find it boring either. But I just have so much fun investing in collectibles. And that's the reason why sobrang into it ako. Kasi at least ito, while they are speculative investments, I enjoy it so much more than putting money in the stock market. But again, before I went into this, I made sure na maayos yung aking financial standing. Ngayon, story time lang, bigyan ko lang ng kwento. There was one time in my life na what saved my life was cards. So there was a bad time in my life na talagang, to make a long story short, naubusan talaga ng pera yung pamilya. As in the car I was driving, narimata siya, tapos hindi ko alam kung saan ako titira. and all of that stuff. And yung kaisa-isang bagay na sumalba sa akin at that point in time, na sobrang hindi ko alam ano gagawin ko sa where I'm going to get the money, was a binder filled with magic cards that I had. So these are magic cards na talagang pinag-ipunan ko back then. You have beta, unlimited version, dual lands. I think I had one MOX that was still there. Part yun ng Power 9 ng Magic the Gathering. And yun, binenta ko silang lahat. And yung pera na yun actually sustained me for over a year. So I have experience in collectibles having a major impact, a positive impact in one's life. Pero yun nga lang, bad news, no? I just took a look at the prices of some of the stuff that I sold several, like almost a decade ago. Grabe, sana hindi ko na lang pala binenta. Sana nagtiis na lang ako, kumain ako ng kalahating can ng tuna kada araw. Kasi grabe na yung presyo niya ngayon. Okay, so now we get to one of the more exciting parts, which I think a lot of you are waiting for. What are my thoughts on the NAS Daily, NAS Academy issue? So bigyan ko lang kayo ng background. So I worked on a course for the NAS Academy platform, and that course is all about building a digital business. So 15 years experience ko pagdating sa digital marketing, linagay ko sa course na yun. We shot it already, it's edited already, the ads are actually already done, but it's now on pause. But that course is really something that's born out of 15 years of experience that I have. It's teaching people how to monetize, best practices when it comes to affiliate marketing, best practices how to build a digital business on top of your YouTube channel or Instagram account, best digital marketing practices on how to promote your content, how to promote your business online, how to tie it to revenue, paano ka kikita, how do you generate more income? And my heart was very simple. Sa panahon ngayon, one of the most essential skills is digital marketing. If you don't know how to do digital marketing well, mahirapan ka magnegosyo. So my vision, my mission for that particular course in partnering was to really educate and empower more people at least with whatever value I could offer as somebody who's been doing digital marketing and content marketing for the last 15, 16 years. So that course is currently on pause, and I'm looking forward to the results of the investigation of I think it was already announced na yung National Commission, the NCIP, is already investigating if the contract was exploitative. So I'm just looking forward to the results. But until then that course is obviously on hold. But I would love for one day, in some way or form, to be able to share that course that I worked on so hard to those who would want to see it. Kasi talagang I feel that there's so much value. Sobrang pinaghirapan namin yon, and I just feel na makakatulong siya sa mga makakapanood. So as promised, before we end, magbabukas tayo ng mga NBA cards. So, di ba? We have a couple of boxes over here from Manila Box Breaks as well as On-Court Hobbies. So let's start with Manila Box Break. Shout out sa kanila. If you want to check them out, I'll link down below to their Facebook page. So simulan natin to. Carlo, Ople, nakalagay pangalan natin. Nandyan logo nila, Manila Box Breaks. Tingnan natin ano laman ng mahiwagang box. So these are mostly select base cards, if I'm not mistaken. So yan, ayusin natin yung camera. So you have Mitchell Robinson, Nurkic, Mitchell, Smith, Tobias Harris. Ito, we have a couple of prisms. Nothing na Trae si Idol. Wala naman sobrang kakaiba. And then let's get to the next pack. So these are a couple of box breaks na sinalihan ko from them, no. Ang uso kasi ngayon, or a big box right now, is the select. So ito, we have another Trae Young over here. So that's the camera focus. Ganda. We have Brandon Ingram. We have Ben Simmons na silver. And we have a Zion Williamson na dominance. Ganda, oh. Zion Williamson dominance. Ito yung silver na Ben Simmons. Saw a video earlier na he's working on his jump shot already. Okay, so next. Ito medyo makapal. Siguro maganda laman ito. Tingnan natin. We have, hindi. These are mostly the base cards. So, Zach Collins, Jason Hayes na red, Rodney Hood, a couple of select base cards. So Kongwu, one of my other PCs. Yeah, nothing too special. And the last pack, I think nandito yung major hit that I got from Manila Box Breaks. So, buksan natin siya. You know, kita niyo yan? Kita niyo yan? Zion Williamson. Purple. From Select. Ang ganda. And then tingnan natin nakasulat sa likod. It's numbered 34 out of 99. Winner, di ba? We also have a Devin Vassell signed card, na rookie card over here. So you have an on-sticker auto, 21 out of 99. We have a Tyrese Maxey rookie card, another one of my collections. Obi Toppin rookie card. We have a Kyra Lewis Jr. na cracked red ice. We have Tobias Harris na tie-dye from 76ers. And we have, wow, sino to? Terry Cummings, auto auto na may patch X Factor. Okay, hindi ko in-expect to. So, obviously, yun yung mga major hits. Si Zion Williamson is the one with the biggest value. And of course, if you believe in Devin, di ba, pwede rin yun. Now, we also have a couple of cards from On-Court Hobbies. So, shout out to Renz, brother, appreciate you. So, tingnan natin. Actually, ito rin yung mga laman ng boxes. So, yan. So, most of them are Prism cards. So, kita nyo naman dyan. So, buksan natin isa-isa. Simula tayo dito, Golden State Warriors. So, I see a James Wiseman. So, James Wiseman, Instant Impact, Andrew Wiggins, Steph Curry, James Wiseman, rookie card. Naman, Clippers. I think nag-team random ako, kaya ako nagkaroon ng Clippers eh. So, you have a Silver Paul George and Daniel Oturu, rookie card from Select. Okay, this one naman is 76ers. We have Tyrese Maxey. Oops, nahulog. We have Isaiah Joe, tricolor na Select. The Blazers, just 2 cards. We have Zach Collins, and then we have CJ McCollum na Select. More thick batch of cards. Yan o, panalo. So we have Minnesota, we have Atlanta, and we have Philadelphia. Okay, so for Minnesota, we have a rated rookie Jaden McDaniels, Karl Anthony Towns, a couple of base cards, RWG Jarrett Culver. Wala tayong Ant-Man. So puro Karl Anthony Towns nakuha natin this one in this batch. For the 76ers, we have Ben Simmons, Marvels na Ben Simmons. We have Furkan Korkmaz na silver. Zero Gravity, Julius Irving. Wow. And then another Tyrese Maxey na rookie card. Okay, last natin from Atlanta, Trae Young base, Trae Young, Jeff Teague na green, yeah, nothing too special. Okay, press proof, Kevin Huerter, purple parallel. Now, I actually have more cards that I want to unbox, but I'll put it in other episodes kasi medyo mahaba na yung video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you are, liking this Q&A series. I have more episodes to come your way, so make sure to keep on watching. This is Carlo signing out. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up. Good luck sa lahat na sasali sa Easy Giveaway. Boom.